Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza with keyboard. First, open your favorite text editor or coding program. This will be our digital kitchen. Next, visualize your screen as a blank pizza dough, ready for toppings. Finally, assign specific keyboard commands for each ingredient, like D for dough or S for sauce. This setup ensures a smooth and efficient virtual cooking experience, letting your fingers do the work. Now, let's build the foundation of your keyboard pizza. Start by typing a series of underscores or hyphens to form the dough's base. Think of this as stretching out your virtual dough. Then, use parentheses or slashes to create a circular outline, giving your pizza its traditional shape. Make sure your dough is generously sized, allowing ample space for all the delicious digital ingredients you'll add next. With your dough ready, it's time to add the flavorful layers. Begin by typing a consistent pattern of S or T characters to represent the rich tomato sauce. Next, generously sprinkle your virtual cheese using C for cheddar or M for mozzarella, covering the sauce. Finally, strategically place your pepperoni slices with P characters, ensuring every bite of your digital pizza is perfectly topped and delicious. To bake your pizza, you can change the font color to a warm orange or red, or add some oven characters around it. Once baked, share your masterpiece with friends on social media or a gaming forum. It's a fun way to show off your creative coding skills. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your unique, keyboard-crafted pizza.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.